Hello, myself Laxmi Karki from Project Management. I'm going to explaining my reflection video on the topic of smart waste management system for urban area using the Internet of Things sensor embedded in bins to monitor fill levels and notify nearby waste collection services in real time. The goal is to improve efficiency, reduce environmental impact, and promote sustainable waste practices. The project aimed to implement technology-driven smart bin equipped with IoT sensor in Kathmandu, Nepal. This sensor will detect waste fill level and send alert to waste collection services before bin overflow. Data analytics tool will help optimize collection routes and schedules, reducing fuel use, vehicles movement, and the carbon emission. This system will enhance urban cleanliness and promote environmental sustainability in the cities like Kathmandu, Lalitpur, and Bhaktapur. And I will explain the step of the project and the resources I use and how I make it sustainable. Hmm. And for this project, I use the MS Project software and the Excel. Let us move to the next slide. There is the baseline of this project. It includes the task name, WBS, duration, start, finish, producer, cost, and resource name. There is also mentioned the tax and sub-tax. The main tax is Smart Waste Management Project, which is also the title of this project, and the WBS of this project is level 1. Duration for this project is 112 days. Start in 10th of April 2025 and finish in 12th of September 2025. The cost for this project is 101,236.25, and the initial these all projects are done in the different phases. The first phase is initial phase, second planning, execution, monitoring, and final is the closing phase. In the initiation phase, it's work breakdown structure level is 1.1, and the duration for this phase is 8 day, and it start in 10th of April 2025 and end in the 21 of April 2025. And the cost for this phase is 4,666. And the other soft tasks are define project scope, identify and consult stakeholder, identify stakeholder, the consult stakeholder. The all consult stakeholder are project sponsor, IT department head, development team leads, and so on. And for all these consult stakeholder, the work breakdown structure is 1.1.2.2, and the total duration is 3.5 days, and the start date is 14th of April 2025 and 17th of April 2025 is finished, and the total cost for this consult stakeholder is 1,926, and so on. In the next slide, there is the next phase, that is planning phase, whose work breakdown structure is 1.2, and the duration for this phase is 18 days. It starts with mm, 22th April 2025 and end in the 15th um, May 2025, and the producer for this phase is 19, and the total cost for this phase is 13,940.25. And there is also other subtasks were mentioned. And in the next is the execution phase. In the execution phase, the work breakdown structure is 1.3, and the total duration for this phase is 42 days, and it starts in the 16th of May and in the 14th of July, which its producer or dependency is 29, and the total cost for this phase is 45,600, and the resource name for This phase are smart bin, network equipment, etc. And the subtasks for these phases are smart system architecture design, database design, and so on. In the next slide, there is the testing phase, which the work breakdown structure is 1.4, and the duration for this phase is 70 days. It starts in the 15th of July and end in the 6th of August 2025. And the producer or dependency for this phase is 42, and the total cost for this phase is 14,000. In this way, there is also subtasks here is shown below, and the next one is monitoring and optimization phase, where the WBS work breakdown structure is in 1.5 level, and the duration for this phase is 13 days, and it starts in the uh, 7th of August and end in the 25th of August 2025. Its producer is 50, and its total cost is 9,860. And there is also given the subtasks of this phase, and the another is the another, and the final is final of this project is project closure and handover, which work breakdown structure level is 1.6, and duration for this handover phase or the closing phase is 14 days. It starts from 26th of August 2025 and end in the 12th of August September 2025. And its total cost is 13,170, and the resource name for this task is print manual and archival hard drive. And there is also the mention the subtasks of these pages. Here is clearly shown in there. And the next one is Gantt chart. Gantt chart is the project management tool which saw the project timeline visually, and also the all tasks are uses in horizontal bar to show start and end dates, and dependency, and the progress of the project. Here you can see this all again chart of this project. This, and another is the resource. In the resource include the resource name, type, material, initiation, group, maximum, standard rate, overtime rate, cost, use, occurrence, base, and code. And in the resource name, there is the project manager, whose type is org, and the initials is P, which is the first letter of the project management, and the maximum is 200%. This is because there is two project manager. For one project manager, there is 100%. For two, there is the 200%. Standard rate for the project manager is 50 pound per hour if they work overtime. Their overtime rate is 55 pound per hour, and the AQR is the pro rates. And the another source name is business analysts, stakeholder console, admin system. These all are the in the type of the org, and their initials first letter name is mentioned there, and the maximum they are 100%. 100%, it means they all are in the there is only one business analyst and only one stakeholder consult. And the standard rate for the business analysts is 35 hour. If they work extra, their overtime rate is 40 per hour. And the AQ is pro rate because they all are the work. and for the material there is the mm, the acre is the start, and for the cost the acre is the end. And this way I want to finish my reflection video here in my reflection video here. So thank you so much.